Hello. So I am taking off the glue from yesterday. It did not work perfectly for me how I would like for it to work. This is just my feedback and my opinion on how this particular glue worked for me. So you see this side is on. Actually, okay, well, you guys see it. I think you can see in the camera. So I'm going to do a quick removal. Hi everybody, thank you for watching today. I need a clip. This is how I do my removal. Hey, Hair Physics. So you see this side is coming up already. I'm just going to spray this remover right on the hairline here. Oh, it's dripping, drip, drip, drip. Yeah, so we put this on yesterday and I don't particularly care for it. So I'm removing it today. As you see, I just kind of spray the remover. I'm kind of rubbing it in. And then it will probably lift in less than 5 minutes. Let me know if you guys have any questions. We do have a big sale coming up on July 18th, 19th, and 20th. That's not this Saturday, but next Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, we will have some really deep discounts in store. We have a lot of new inventory. We have a lot of new wigs. We do have installation appointments. We have a lot of new wigs coming up over the next couple of days. Can you show me how the weave looks? I will come back a little later and show you how the weave looks. There is it right there. But I will come back a little later today and show you our wefted bundles, if you don't mind. I just have to do this video really quick. I have a 3 o'clock meeting. It's 2:47. I should be getting ready for my meeting, but I need to take my wig off before my meeting so I can put another wig on. Sorry, Golden King, but I will do another video today showing wefted hair. I really just have to get this wig off before my meeting in the next 15 minutes. So I'm just setting on the remover. This is what it looks like. Great, was thinking about purchasing weave. Oh, perfect, I'll get on later on today and I promise I will show the wefted hair just for you. But yeah, you guys can see how I just have the remover just soaking on my hairline here. Loosening up this glue. I rub it in just a little bit to break it down. I let it set for about 5 minutes and then it will come right off. Let me know if you guys have any other questions today. See, this side was already coming off. We do specialize in making full lace, front lace, and 360 lace units. We do custom coloring. And we also do installations here in store. I'm Janice. I am the owner of Magic Hair Company, located here in Culver City. You can also visit us at magichaircompany.com. Be sure to like, follow, subscribe, all of those great things so you can always be the first to know about our special sales and promotions. Okay, I'm letting this soak off here. Don't forget to check out our product line, guys. We have an amazing hair care product line. We have a shampoo, conditioner. How do I show this? We have a keratin shampoo and conditioner that's available at magichaircompany.com. It's also available in store here and it's available on Amazon. And we have a hydrating curl definer and amplifier, and we have an edge tamer. So definitely shop our product line. I like to dance, guys. Hope nobody's annoyed by my dancing. So yeah, I'm just removing this glue. Oh, there we go. Tati, can you bring me my other wig so I can just throw it on, please? And so you see how that lifted nicely for me? There we go. This wig is off. And now I am going to just wipe this additional, I believe that lace remover is just baby oil. So I think that that is baby oil. Smells like baby oil. I'm going to wipe this off of my forehead. There's really not much glue residue. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. Yeah, okay. So you see there's a little bit of residue right there. Oh, we have a customer coming in, I think. I don't. Door. We see. Come in. Go ahead. Hello. Hi. Hi. Give me 1 second to stir this up. Okay, so, and then I'm just gonna throw this wig back on. And that's it, guys. So that's it for today's live. I have my meeting right now. So yeah, I just took the glue off, put a new wig on, and there you go. All right, guys, have a great day. I will be back soon. Bye.